In today's class, there is a continuation of the assessment of companies, that is, a normal provision has been calculated. The next here is MAT provision. MAT is a minimum alternative tax which is effectively introduced in India in the year 1987. It is calculated under section 115 GB of High Income Tax Act. Why this MAT has been introduced? In order to facilitate the taxation of zero tax companies, that is, some large profit making companies used to take the profits in the way of dividend to the shareholders, and they were avoiding or paying less tax to the government in the form of tax. Hence, in order to increase the tax payment by the companies, every companies need to pay the MAT, that is minimum alternative tax, based on their book profit. After paying the dividend to the shareholders, they need to pay the equal amount of legal amount of their tax to the companies, and hence this MAT has been introduced. After the MAT introduction, the payment by the companies in the form of tax has been increased to the government, and hence, in order to target those huge profit making companies, this MAT has been introduced to pay the fixed percentage of the profit as a minimum alternative tax. So the format for calculating the book profit has been ascertained here. As usual, we calculate in the normal provision, net profit will be the base here, and some statutory additions will be made on income tax, reserves and provisions, transfer to general reserve, dividend paid or proposed dividend paid, losses of subsidiary company, and depreciation. Some statutory deductions which is related to amount withdrawn from reserves, exempted incomes, depreciation, that is excluding the depreciation of revalue of assets, and this is very much important, that is brought forward loss or brought forward depreciation from the previous year, which will be as per the books of accounts only, which should be as per the books of accounts only. So whichever list less is to be considered, and hence book profit will be arrived. From the book profit, calculate the MAT at the rate of 18.5 percentage, so on the book profit. Then education says at the rate of 4 percentage is to be applicable. Here comes the MAT. From this MAT, tax liability and the normal tax liability have to be compared, and whichever is higher will be the actual tax payment made by the company. So okay, let's move on to the problem.